Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Melbourne, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Melbourne, Melbourne Village, Eau Gallie, West Melbourne, and Indian Harbour Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Serving Melbourne and vicinity, this is NOAA Weather Radio Station.